In the previous video, we added the insert feature to our Python app. In this video, we're going to add a search feature so we can filter and find names even if we don't remember them exactly. Let's start with the new button we've added. We created a button that says Search Name. It's styled like the others, and we use .pack to place it on the screen. Now let's run the app and see what it looks like. We now have a search button. But the real magic happens when we connect that button to a function. Here's the function we wrote. We get the text from the entry box, and if it's empty, we just refresh the full list. If there is a keyword, we clear the list box, then connect to the database. We run a select query using like operator, so we can find names that contain the keyword, not just exact matches. Then we close the connection and add all matching results back into the list box. Finally, we connect our button to this function using command equals search name. This tells Tkinter, when this button is clicked, run that function. Let's run the app again and try it out. We can type any part of a name into the entry box, hit the search button, and boom. It filters the names based on our input. Thanks to the SQL LIKE feature, we don't have to remember the full name. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.